Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, friends. It is your friend. It is your friend here, folks. And it is a good morning so far today. Can you smell it? When you stick your nose in the air and close your eyes. Is it the scent of a woman that grazes the tip of your olfactory? Is it the smell of napalm in the morning? Or is it the smell of your own farts? Maybe it's a mixture of all the above. And while some flop and grope, begging, yearning for whatever situation they might be in, we don't know what situation these people might be in. There are people in this world who wake up every day not knowing if it's going to be the last day of their village. There's people who wake up every day some people won't wake up today. And then there's you and me. The price action, just the candles alone, can either be, yes, ugly, or beautiful. We know that to be true. But if I'm anything like you, what the heck's going on here? There we go. If I'm anything like you, that would suck. If I could trade places with anyone in life, I wouldn't do it. But if I had to choose, it would probably be Crypto. The guy's got like $20,000 in fiat to his name. The rest is in this shit. There's always a bigger fish. And there's always a smelly fish. All fish smell. Every fish smells. So accept your place in this world and take your food. But all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And so I believe that this time, in this current trade I'm in, this is the third trade in the past, like, 20 hours where I'm up 200, 300, 400,000. And I've been a bit of a dull boy. I've been taking the money. I send it to someone I trust, where I'll probably never see the money again. Unless it's an emergency situation. But I think this one we're going to try to have a little bit of fun with. Now, the machine is in full effect. The machine is in full effect. The floppers are flopping. The gropers are groping. And nothing you say can get to me, for I am in my complete zen. Nothing you say will affect me. So help me God. Help me God. Without a doubt, this year has been the best year in trading for me in my life. By far. By far. And I hope it's the same for you. And that doesn't mean that there hasn't been times of struggle, times of unease. But without times of unease, how can we know what peace is? Worst year for me by far. Really, bro? It's been your worst year? Let me ask you, bro. Let me ask you. If it's been your worst year, has it been like all year, or was there, a few weeks of pain, or a few days, or a few trades? To the guy who said it's been his worst year for trading, please expand on that. All year? Or did you just... listen. If you make... let's say you start with 30 grand and you traded it up to $500,000 and then you fucked it off. You were at least able to trade it up to $500,000, which means you can do it again. You just have to not fuck it off this time. I'm sober as a bee. If I was high, you wouldn't hear me talking. Sober as a bee. This range has been amazing. This is my third trade just off this little range. Bada bing, bada boom. Nailed this bottom. Nailed this bottom pretty much to the dollar. This is my third trade. And I know the fear factor. Fear is not a factor for me today. Not today. Not today. There ain't no way. I have nothing to fear. It's been my best year ever, trading-wise. Also, we have extended the early Black Friday sale 60% off with code GOBBLE GOBBLE. That's GOBBLE, GOBBLE, one word. Gobble gobble, 60% off. Tis the season. Tis the season. For hopes and dreams and not treason. Now, little hope on the 1 hour here. Nice little money flow coming up. When we look at the 4 hour and, the 2 hour, let's look at the 4 hour for a second. Money flow still absolutely thick, was coming down, and here we have this momentum like we did on that daily. Here's that momentum shift where rejection. Last time we spoke of this was on the daily, and typically when that happens on the daily, I'd have to find it, but man, it typically leads to amazing shit right here. Money flow coming down, coming low to the zero line in a bull run, or a bull trend. Oftentimes, more time than not. In fact, pretty much every time except for one time, the last time, the zero line acts as, support. And, I've been eyeing this momentum and eyeing these indications as we've been here. And it's been fighting it. It's been fighting it. I mean, look at the price. My golly, look at it. Gobble, gobble. Does my trade show on the liquidation heat map? Yes, if you're looking at the correct heat map, yes, it does. What day is it today? Shit, it's trash day. I'll be right back. Okay. Alrighty, we made it. Important day of the week. I have a funky smelling fridge. And I figured out the culprit. I had all this fresh food. And something in the fridge stank. And I found out what it was, and it was an old dog food sausage shit that my little sister didn't wrap. Smelled like shit. Did the price dump? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have a picture to show you all. Pump. All right, let's see here. It's snowing outside, and it could be 20 degrees below zero in Chicago. And this dog has to have the door open. So he bothers me to open the door, and I have a fire going. And he's sitting by the fire with the cold weather blowing in his face. And I took a picture. Testing 1 2. Is the music too loud? Is it too loud? Yeah, turn the shit down. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. We're going to send that picture. And this picture. Okay. And there we go. Alrighty. And if you're just joining us, welcome. Let me pull this up here. Uh-huh. Okay, let me do this. Let me click this real quick here. Whoa, Nelly. Hang on here, folks. Now, calm down. Calm down. Just let me do this for a second. I have a surprise for you. Jesus Christ. Hang on, folks. Hang on. Okay, here is picture number 1. My little Fluffy by the fireplace. He sleeps with me, and he keeps me warm at night. If I fall asleep in the office, I wake up freezing cold and running to the bedroom shivering. He knows. He'll lay on top of my head. He'll lay on top of my feet. He'll lay on top of me just to keep me warm. He breathes his breath in my face to warm my face. Nuke, snook, Putin, Putin, Putin. Nuke, 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 Putin, World War III. World War III, nuke, 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 nuke.
Time to choose.
Let's take a look here. What's the all-time high? Did we hit 93,000? I know we came close to the spider line. 93.3. The spider line is 95. Ooh, buddy, hold on now. Look at that daily. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. The daily. Let's take a look. The daily VWAP oscillation seems to be curving up, folks. Okay, that's the daily. Now let's enhance. The 16-hour coming up. The 12-hour is just peeking through. It's just peaky blinders. It's peaky blinders. In fact, I do believe we have had, it's been 4 days. It's been 4 days since our last video when it was right here. And we said we need about 4 days of consolidation before the next move. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been 4 days of consolidation. It's time for the next move. I told you. It's been 4 days. And that's what I said it was going to be. 4 days. Doge is pumping. Dude, I can't believe Ripple's at over $1. Someone said Ripple's $1.13. I said, what? It's about damn time that shit didn't move for 4 years. So I'm happy for you fuckers. What's Ripple at now? $1.10. Okay, it's going down. It's crashing. Good fucker. Whoa, 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 wow. Bad all-time high. Yes. Now, again, the candles themselves, even without the bells and whistles, I'm telling ya, just go on and like a wild western. Quick draw McGraw. Revolver style. Good for Doge. Good for Doge. So, again, if you're just joining us, you should have been here before. The 1 hour money flow is showing a potential new beginning. And not just a potential, a very likely potential. The 2 hour, yes, is right at the 0 line. And it's showing support. It's showing support for now. For now. For now. This breakaway, runaway momentum. This is, you know, we like, if we're long, we like to see this breakaway momentum right here. Chain link, oh man, how is chain link doing? Fucking chain link. Shitcoin. Garbo. No one even knows what chain link is anymore. Dumpster fire. All right, Ethereum's having its day. Kind of, not really. All right. And to be honest, I really could give a shit less about anything. But Bitcoin. Did the guy ever answer my question earlier? The guy who said it's been his worst year of his life in trading. Did we ever see an answer from him? I tried looking at the chat for a couple minutes to see if he would answer. I wanted to know that, you know, what happened this year. Was it all year he was struggling, or did he have a good year and then fuck it all up maybe before the election? He said it was his first year. Well, I mean, you know, that's no excuse. How could it be a bad year just long at no leverage? No, that's not how it goes, bro. Long at no leverage. So what? What the fuck's the what? Come on, bro. Get real, bro. Get real. We're not talking about investing, bro. We're talking about trading, bro. Get real. Nothing stinks more than someone's like, I'm making a spot trade. All right. Hey guys, we just made my wife's two-timing me, and my stop loss is here, and hopefully it goes up 0.4%. Yeah, the 1 hour, and how are these minute time frames? The minute. Let's go to the 30-second. Man, this range was the shit. This was amazing. This was an amazing range. Loved it. And then look, we tightened up. Bada bing. Beautiful. Yeah, if there's, you know, boy, I tell you, if you have somebody that you can trust to give your profits to store away so you don't keep it on in the exchange and trade it and then one day probably fuck it off, man, you should find one. You know, there should be a safe that doesn't open until like a set date and time. Like, if let's say I have a little USB full of some shit tokens, shit token profits from trading, and I'm like, you know what? I guess it wouldn't work. What happens if there's an emergency? It's a lot easier just to find a good woman by your side and be like, here you go, bitch. Hold it down. Did you say stake your profits? Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You know, how many times can you give someone $1 when they give you a fickle of imagination that they created from nowhere. God, stake your tokens. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and let's give you a high APR of more of this fake made up token. You know, these shit tokens, I tell you. You're all a bunch of suckers. Suckers. Here, I'll take your $10. Here's this shit token I just created on the computer out of thin air. It's not even real. Thank you for your $10. And guess what? Give me that shit token back, lock it up so you can't sell, and I'm going to give you a percentage of more shit tokens, and it's going to devalue. So just keep giving me your dollars, and I'm going to keep giving you these shit tokens. And derivatives of the shit token. And shit token pools. And don't come telling me about your high percentage yield, because those never last. And they never will. They can last during a bull run because money's coming in. There's a sucker born every minute. A lot of people made shit tokens. Hey, listen. Man, I should have made some shit tokens. Damn. I should have made a shit token. Hey, everybody, we have a use case. The Market Cipher token. Wow. What a use case. Isn't that great? We can have a Discord community and t-shirts. And we're going to have an event once a year. And I'm going to fuck you over for the rest of the year. You give me $100. You're lucky if I spend $5 on you. And if you say something, you get shamed. If you sell, you get tracked down and shamed. Sounds like a good deal. That's funny. You know what? I own a domain name, and I'm not going to say what it is, but there is another use case for crypto besides a currency. And it's been done before, this idea that I'm talking about. It can work. It does work. As long as there's no shenanigans and people continue to use it. And that is a communal, community bank account, checking account of crypto, where all it is let's say you get your paycheck this week for $100. You deposit your $100 into this shit token pool. When you deposit 2.5% of your $100 is taken out and spread out against everyone. Everyone gets a piece of your $2.5. When you withdraw, everyone gets a piece. And that is all. It is not about being early. It's not about getting in low and selling high, or getting in high and buying low. It's just about life and movement as our life is today. And as long as people stay and deposit their weekly checks or take it out, you earn. Community, it'd be a communal bank. And it's been done before in crypto. It's worked before. But typically there's a back door and they end up getting scammed, just like anything else. Or it just dies out. Dies out, not enough people, you know what I'm saying? It fucking dies out. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, the market opens in 4 minutes. So this could all come crashing down, right? The market opens in 4 minutes. This could all come crashing down or up. I don't know. Are we worried about the Russian shit? You know, we did make a higher high. We made a higher high. And we're going to find out here. I mean, we're going to find out. I am cool as a cucumber. This is my third trade in this range. And one thing I do know is if I do close this trade, it will pump. It will. Okay, we got an hour to go. All right, never mind. Well, now what are we going to do? All right. Close it. Damn, that's funny. If you're just joining us, remember, and I'm going to whip up a new code, but we extended the code gobble for 60% off the early bird Black Friday special for Market Cipher. There you go. 60% off Market Cipher. Code gobble. Also, I don't know if you saw my tweet. I saw the TPS reports for our people on Breakout. You guys have been absolutely murdering it. Shout out Breakout Prop. Shout out. Does it feel like I'm logging the top? Yes. Technically I'm longing the mid-range swing mid-swing mid-low, mid-swing high. I'm already up 600 G's. I'm up 600 G's. If this trade goes to zero, I'm still up 600 G's. Just from this right here. So, now that's not an excuse. That's not an excuse. I'm listen. This is Zen Crypto Face. I'm not gonna let you motherfuckers back me into a corner and fuck me up. Don't try to put me in a corner and fuck with me right now. Okay? I will end this stream in a heartbeat. I don't know if I want to wait an hour till market open. I don't think I can be here for an hour. I thought market was going to open now. And now that the price is going down, I'm a little more upset. I tell you, the emotions have been at an all-time high. All emotions. There's the garbage man. I made it. What war, bro? There is no new news. There ain't no one launched no nukes yet. Same old threats. Some bullshit. Ain't no nukes there's been no nuclear launch detected. Yet. Fear mongers. Mongers. You guys are mongers. Stop trying to monger me. We may have a couple, I don't want to say jobs, but I think we may have a couple little positions opening. Like 2 or 3. I don't know, maybe a couple more Discord mods. Oh, shit's hit. What do you mean market ain't open yet? What do you guys mean market ain't open yet? This looks like a market open to me. Here's what I'll say when it comes to we have had I don't know if I should say this. Here's what I'll say, okay? If you are side gigging, let's say you're a Discord moderator for a community. That ain't no job. Okay, that's a side little gig that really you're doing for like money ain't the number one reason. Not saying you don't need it. Maybe you're in the Indian slums and $8 an hour, for 4 hours, 3 or 4 times a week can really, that is life changing for some people. In some countries, that's like being a doctor. But you can't get comfortable and expect that you're going to have fucking dental and healthcare for being a Discord mod where you sit on your ass and half the time you don't even do your fucking job. Oh, we have another salami attack. It's always the salamis. Another salami. What do you know? Shocker. Another salami spamming the chat. Oh, I care about the people. You know what happens is they get lazy. You know what happens when you give everyone a Christmas bonus? They don't show up for work the next day. They get entitled. That's what really happens. Now, am I saying there's not going to be a Christmas bonus for everyone this year? No, I'm not saying that. There is going to be a Christmas bonus this year. But heads are going to roll. Heads are going to roll. And nothing pisses me off more than when one of our Discord mods. I'm not, I mean, I really don't want to target these guys. These guys, I'm just saying nothing pisses me off than when a Discord mod is trying to talk to me like it's their main income. That ain't the way to do it, bro. You're doing it wrong. Because you ain't living life that good, brother. If a Discord moderator is your main income, oh man, we gotta let you go. We gotta let you go. And let a couple youngins come in that understand, that'll be attentive. And you guys try to take more hours. Ain't no way you're sitting there effectively moderating our Discord for a 12-hour shift. Not a chance. And listen, it's hard to talk about these things. It's people get comfortable, and when you remove someone from their little comfort, even if it's unhealthy, it's like a roach. It's like an upside down roach. Their legs are like or when someone asks for a raise and they're like, I'm in this community, I help that community, I help that community, I deserve a raise. I'm like, okay, so you want me to pay you for what you're doing for other fucking communities? That's on you, bro. Oh, I'm helping Jimmy, I'm helping Johnny, I'm helping Billy. I deserve a raise. Go to Jimmy, go to Johnny, go to Billy. Which reminds me, last night, something funny happened. I have a story. Let me refill my coffee before I tell this story. It's pretty damn funny. I'll be right back. Let me refill my coffee. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Oh, and look who decides to join us. Get out of here. Go lay down by the fire. So, funny story. Last night, it's time to walk the dog. It's cold outside. It's dark. And typically, I don't leave the house without a piece on me. When I walk the dog, I'm carrying in case I got a blast to blow a motherfucker's ass off trying to do some shit, or if a pencil neck comes up, maybe a pencil neck tries to crawl through my window, blow, blow, blow. I carry. But last night, I didn't have a piece on me, and so I knew something was going to happen. So we hit our routes, and we're on our way back to the house, just walking back to the house. And it's dark, and this kid on a bike rides by us. He's got no reflectors on his bike. He's got no light on his helmet. It's dark. And he is dark. And he went riding by on his bicycle. He gets about 40 yards away, and I hear, and I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, yo, are you all right? Are you all right, dude? And so this lady comes out of her house to come see. She hears this guy fucking screaming bloody murder. And the kid ran into a pile of bush trimmings that someone put in front of their house. And I'm like, did you break something, bro? This kid is screaming. And he's probably, I would say, he could be a late teenager or like early 20s. Okay? This kid was screaming. Enough to where the lady walked out of the house. And so she's like, are you okay? And he gets up, he goes, yeah, I'm okay. And I'm like, really, dude? You're okay? And I go, dude, you need to get I said, you have no reflectors on. You need to get a light on your helmet. And do you know what he said to me? He goes, thanks, Jack. He called me Jack. He goes, thanks, Jack. I said, what the fuck did you just call me? I said, dude, you call me Jack. I was asking if you're okay. You're the motherfucker riding on a dark street with no light and reflectors who ran into a bush. I said, you're the Jack. Now go get a flashlight, you fucking asshole. And then he walked away with his bike. But I think he heard me laughing. He heard me laughing when he was screaming. I was like, and I wasn't like, ha, ha, ha. I was like, what the fuck? When I knew he didn't break anything, the kid was screaming bloody murder. I almost ran to him. I was yelling at him. I'm like, dude, are you okay? Did you break something? And the lady, the neighbor lady that came out, she instantly saw he was some asshole, and she walked back inside. I'm like, dude, you have no reflectors. You have no flashlight on your head, bro. And you call me Jack? That's the story. That shit was funny as hell. Man, I wish I got that shit on tape. I wish I got that shit recorded because, yeah, that shit was... I knew something was going to happen. I felt it. Don't have my gun on me? Something's going to happen. I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? What's going to happen? A little kid goes by on his bicycle. He was screaming for like 20 seconds. A long 20 seconds. Dude, what are you doing? I'm like, dude, you broke something, right? Then what are you screaming for, man? Call me Jack. Thanks, Jack. And he went, Jack. I'm like, bro, I was checking up on you. I should have said nothing, filmed your dumb ass, and kept walking, posted you on social media. Shit was funny. He was young, but he was an adult. He was a young adult, skinny fuck. Looked like one of my little sister's little twerpy ex-boyfriends. Yeah. Man, I wish I could see that shit again. And he heard me. Dude, are you okay? Are you okay, dude? And I picked up a jog. I cut me and my dog's walk short. And Sid loves his walks. He doesn't even walk, he smells. When me and Sid go on a walk, he walks 2 feet, smells everything, walks 2 feet, smells everything. And I had to jerk him a little bit. I was like, come on, let's go help this kid. He might be twisted and fucked up. We might have to rescue this poor bastard. I'm like, dude, you're lucky you didn't get hit by a car, dude, because motherfuckers speed through these neighborhoods. Wide street neighborhood. It's a nice neighborhood. Wide streets. And people speed sometimes. I'm like, dude, you're lucky you ran in. First off, you can't even see the road in front of you, you fucking retard. You call me Jack. Yeah, if I had my piece on me, I would be like, blam, blam, blam. Are you okay? Damn, shoot first, ask questions later. Oh, yeah, if I had my piece, I would have shot his ass. Made him dance. Dance, Jack, dance. All right, how are we looking? Okay, we're hanging down here. All righty. Hey, listen, if we round trip it, we round trip it, okay? I'm already up 600,000 just from this fucking pattern right here. I'm good. This is the breakout trade. I'm hanging on to this one. So help me God. I'm hanging on to this one. Might not be for much longer. But I already played this range. I'm good. Because as soon as I exit this position, it's going up. I'm telling you. This is the position. In fact, I thought about this. I wanted to mention it in the video. I was thinking about a strategy called like the 3-4 strategy, where your first 3 trades you take profit, but on the 4th one, that's the one that fucking gets away from you. When you close it, it goes and takes off. So I was thinking about talking about something like that. Like your first, like if you're in the range, your first 3 or 4 trade, your first 2 or 3 trades, take the profit, take the profit, take the profit. But on that 4th one, man, let that shit ride. Oh well, if it round trips, oh well. Take profit in short? Fuck you. Hell no. Why would I short? Take profit. That's one thing. I can understand you pencil necking saying take. There is no profit. The profit's gone, bro. The profit's what profit? There is none. And you want me to short? Hell no. I see, now you guys are bothering me again. Come on, don't tell me there's an actual fucking missile launch. You guys are full of shit, dude. There ain't no fucking missile launch. Although there might be. It's probably over. As soon as I exit this, that's the bottom, I'm telling you. Okay, where do you see this news? Tell me where you see this news. Where do you see the fucking missile launches? Please tell me. Tell me. Al Jazeera? Let's look it up. Al Mohammed bin Salami. Okay, I'm looking at this page. It don't say shit about no fucking missile launches. It says some Israel bullshit. No one gives a fuck. Okay, that's it. That's nothing new. I'm not saying no one gives a fuck. Don't take my words and mix them. There is no missiles, nuclear mission launched. You guys are full of shit. What the fuck? Israel killed 970. God, Al Jazeera, this is a fucked up web page. Oh my God. This is all horrible news. Hong Kong jails 45 Democrats. Germany says sabotage the Baltic. Come on, you. Damn, look at this guy. This website's depressing. Very depressing. CNN, let's see what they're saying. Okay, here it is. Ukraine fires U.S.-made longer-range missiles into Russia. All right, let's see here. Great. That's fucking great. That's great. Well, hey, listen. Here's the good news. Is if it does dump, then it'll pump back up later. Let's get in at the bottom. What profits do you want me to take? The profits were up here. There is no more profits. There is no more profits to take. The profit was up here. Boy, we're really riding the line right here. This is do or die right here. Looking like we're gonna die right here. Yep. It's not looking good, folks. Not looking good. Yep. Not looking good, folks. Yep. Boy, it's coming right for us. Okay. In another dimension, Crypto Face sells. Crypto Face sold, Chinese. Well, we sold, Chinese. This order book looks weak as fuck. And you know what? We are below. You're probably right. You guys are probably right. It's probably done for. I think this is done for. I can just tell by the price. And this is fucked. The price leads on the exchange. All right, fuck it. Fuck it. And I'll tell you, the price leads on the exchange. And right now, I mean, it was above $50. When this price is below the price of the standard exchanges, you're talking about downward shit. When it's above, you're talking about upward shit. Anyways, whatever. I could have made 800 grand. We're up 600,000 for the past however long this has fucking been. And now it's going to go up. That was the bottom. And Crypto Face is fucked. And I probably could have made a lot more money if I just stayed in the damn position. Look how beautiful this order book's looking now. Look how beautiful and bullish the order book is fucking looking now. It's about to fucking pump. I'm telling you, these Chinese, they track your boy. They really do. They really do. Oh, look, 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 look. See, now the price is reversing from the exchange Chinese. There she goes. Listen. Hey, there you go. Fuck. You guys beg me for trades. Long the shit out of this, and you guys are going to be totally fine. Beautiful. This is nothing out of the ordinary. This is a beautiful bottom right here. Look at that. Beautiful bottom. Amazing place to enter. You guys should be totally fine. Totally fine. Totally fine. Bet the farm. I didn't mention this in my last video, but this is real shit. I know we joke around, but the price of these big exchanges compared to the price of Coinbase, Crypto.com, you got to pay attention to it. So like right now it's floating at like 10, 20 bucks to the downside. But that gap can open if it's, and this has just been the trend since the election. I mean, this has always been, it's always been what has been. If the price is below the other exchanges, 50 to 100 bucks, the trend is certainly to the downside because that's the smart money. And if it's above, the smart money's up, and then you could just see it reverse. You can see it. I mean, it's one of them things. I mean, look, you know what I'm saying? The trend of Monday going into Tuesday has changed. Monday's been bullish. Tuesday's been bearish. This is the second week it's happened. Second week. And you know, this looks like a Ukrainian Chinese chong. Chinese ching chong. They better not try to end this world before our new president comes in. The structure, and you know, this structure, I have to say, it is benign, but it's a powerful structure. I would say this structure is either, you could see it either way, the bullish and bearish scenario. Certainly leaning bull though. Look how small this little teeny weeny candle is. This ain't shit. Ain't shit. If the price goes down to 90, this is pissing me off, though. This is starting to piss me off. See? This ain't shit. Breakaway momentum. Money flow at the zero line. On a bull trend. If I wasn't streaming, I'd be holding the position. I'd be back in profit. There you go. I told you guys. I told you. You're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. You fucks. I'm just kidding. And that's very, that's, I really need to stop cursing so much. I hope I've been getting better at it. But that reminds me. That reminds me. If you haven't ordered your Petey the Pencil Neck mug, marketcyphermerch.com. It's the best mug. By the way, you do want to hand wash these, especially the first couple times. Hand wash them. The best mugs you'll ever get. Shipping is included. Jesus Christ, look. See, there's your free signal. You fuckers ask me for free signals all the time.
Fucking Windows 98!
It ain't the way I wanted it. I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. Like dumb, I'm smart, and I want it ain't the way I wanted it.
Damn, I was going to say something. I forgot what it was. I had something good to say. I forgot what it was. Anyways, there's your pump. I forgot what I was going to say. I had something good to say. The price of gas has been going down. Price of gas per gallon's been going down. It's amazing how instantly commodities have gone down since the election. But who gives a shit about that? I hope this dumps to hell. I hope this shit hits the fan. I want to see the markets burn. Yeah, the money flow, nice little money flow pickup on the hourly. And while the 4-hour money flow was a little suspicious, it was a little suspicious. Breakout momentum. You know, maybe I can catch it come down one more time. Maybe I'll get lucky and have the price will come down one more time to 90K before it breaks away. But man, today might be breakaway day. Today might be breakaway day, especially when after a move like this. I mean, look how volatile this shit has been. This was I didn't trade this one. It was just these two. But this whole part was just boom, 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 boom. And it was nicely curved, easily mapped out. You know, it centered up, shot up, came down, bounced out. I don't know. Hopefully now that I'm out of the trade, hopefully it kind of just chops and comes back down. I can get another good entry and continue the run. Hopefully you guys have been having a good year of trading. I hope the guy who said it's been his worst year of trading, you know, I hope he figures out what his problem is. But I'll tell you, knowing what the price is going to do is that's compared to dealing with your own demons, man. And pencil necks, you know, in this case, in my case. I wish I could explain order book analysis better. I wish that's something that I could like teach. Like, this is why it looks good, and this is why it looks bullish, this is why it looks bearish, but it's really not something I could put into words. The media is in full effect. And, you know, I would say what that I would say, at least for me, I can't speak for you people, but for me, the lesson learned is not giving it back. Not giving it back. Don't give your wins back. You know, the charts and the trade shit's gonna be here tomorrow. You know, are you you have your invested good? Are you invested good? You have your hold shit good. This trade stuff is just for, we take what the market gives us. You know, fuck, I should have stayed in that trade. But I gotta be real with you. If I stayed in that trade, that shit was gonna keep going down. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. If I stayed in that trade, the price would not be where it's at. Damn. Victim of our own phlegm. I'm a victim of my own phlegm. Son of a bitch. You know, it's like a repeating pattern. I'm telling you, these goals, whenever I set a goal, it never works out. It never works out. When I set a goal, it never works out. And I go for these grand fucking things. And it's like strike 3. I'm on like strike 3, strike 4 of trying to trade, trying to get in on a big breakout rather than just chopping the wood. I'm like 0 for 4. Pissing me off. It's pissing me off. I'm still in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't mind. No big deal. Everything's fine. The price is gonna come back down to where you got out. Right? Right. It's too late now. Can't do anything now. Can't do anything now. Just gotta sit here and watch it. Watch it. Shit. Now what do we do? What do we do now? Is this, what do we do now? Just wait and hope market opens. This shit's gonna fucking pump. It's too late. Can't do nothing about it. I told you guys to get it. I told you. You got a free signal from your boy. I told you. It's the long game. We're in it for the long game. But man, it's just boy, I tell you, there's no denying it. No denying it, man. I feel like I've just been getting spanked on these fucking live streams. It's pissing me off. Pissing me off. I tell you, I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I just don't want to take profits when I'm fucking live streaming. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just, when I'm live streaming, it's like I don't know. It's like we're trading. I'm trying to get on this breakout. I'm trying to get a breakout trade. Fucking round trip. This is like the 4th round trip in a row. Live stream. I feel like the asshole fell on his bike yesterday. And I can't try to be funny right now or else it's forced. I don't even know what I'm still doing here. What the hell's the matter with you? Time's going real slow right now. I'm leaning back in my chair, staring at the wall. Speechless. I got nothing to say. I got nothing to do. Nothing to say. Because words don't matter unless your money's behind it, in my opinion. Unless you put your fucking money where your mouth is, it don't matter. Bro, there ain't no discounts on Breakout. For $800, you pass the fucking test and you get $100,000 to trade with. You don't need a discount, dude. You go to a shitter, scammy fund firm and get a discount from them. Don't some of you know that you get what you pay for? Don't you understand that not in all cases, but most cases, okay, if you have a product or a service from one company, they charge $800, but another company offers you a similar or same service for $400. Do you think there's going to be a difference? 99% of the time, yes. That's why they say you get what you pay for. Fuck your discount, okay? You're talking, what kind of discount do you want? Is $50 off $800 really gonna, is that what you're gonna fight for? You really need 10% off? Is 10% a deal breaker for you? You know, which line do we want to cross right now? You know what I'm saying? Which line do we want to cross right now? You know what I feel like? I feel like a baboon with little baboon babies crawling all over me. And some are scratching my head and picking bugs off my back. And others are poking me. You little baboons know the kind of baby baboon that you are. Most of you are amazing creatures. Great people. Some are not. Right on, brother. Welcome to the family. Well, I'll tell you. Boy, I tell you. And what a wasted, beautiful morning. You know, I want to be in a trade. I want to be trading, sitting here, blabbering with you people. But the cookie crumbled a little different today. You know, listen, at least I wasn't the kid who fell into the bush last night. Screaming bloody murder for 30 seconds. That's right, actually, I need to put air in the tires. That's right. I do. I need to put, I gotta put air. I put air in the truck. I still need to put air in the car and the Rari. I gotta put air in the tires of the Rari. Yeah, I mean, who screams, you know, like, did you poke your eye out? You know, the way that kid was screaming was if he broke something or something serious happened. I mean, I was like, hey, are you okay? Are you okay? And he wasn't fucking responding to me. But the lady comes out of her house and he's like, I'm okay. Oh, market opens in a minute, doesn't it? Doesn't market open in a minute? Yeah, and then he calls me Jack. Oh, man, if this thing pumps on market open, I will be a salty dog. I'll be a salty dog. All right, and we're off to the races here, folks. We're off. Dump. Dump. Doesn't look like it's dumping real hard at all. Doesn't look like it's dumping real hard at all. Yep, this looks like a nice little bottom, and it's gonna fucking go back up. All right, let's think for a second. Ooh, look at that 1 minute right there. Look at that. Oh, man. Are we gonna do this? Fuck, now it's too late. Look how fast you have to make a decision. Look how fast you have to make a fucking decision. Come on. All right, we'll do a little one. Fuck it. God, what a mistake. Why did I do this? Look at that trigger to the downside. I am not entering anything more onto this. We're just gonna let this be as it is for entertainment purposes only. I'm done with this shit. All right, we're closing it fucking down. I ain't doing this shit today. I'm not doing this fucking shit today. All right, folks. Thanks for being here. God bless you. Hopefully we get them next time. And you know, this whole waiting for the breakout bullshit, I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done trying to go for these big moves, live stream, and fucking it up. It's the 4th time in a row, and I'm so tired of looking like a dumbass and being a dumbass. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it.